Hi guys. Hi Kate. Hi Kate. Hi May. Where are you going soon? Thank you. There you are, she says. There you are. Where are you going soon, May? Can you say hi to Nanny and Puppy? Say hi to Nanny and Puppy, May. You can see our deck through the door. We just built it on the weekend. You might be able to see it. It's nighttime now. Kate, say hi, Nanny. Hi, Nanny. No. No, May. Nice video. This is the latest with May. Funny faces. Can you say hi to Nanny? Hi, Kate. Kate-chan. Hey. Kate. Hi. Kate, look at Mommy. Oh, don't fall. You need some pasta? What? Give us a kiss. Give your sister a kiss. Kiss. Kate, give her a kiss. Look at you on the table. This is the start. Say, I've just started walking and I'm up on the table and everything. Oh, she's giving her a kiss. She moved, didn't she? Oh, pasta. Kate, look at Mommy. Say bye-bye. Bye.